everybody. Wanted to bring you guys in on a new project. Had a call come in that is another residential call, which we don't normally do with our large vacuum trucks. But a friend of a friend has a hand-dug koi pond that has like 30 koi in it that he moved into a temporary swimming pool, pumped all the water from the koi pond into the swimming pool so they had a safe habitat. Some of these koi fish are like 18 years old. Really cool couple, really cool property. The guy's a veterinarian. And they tried to dredge the muck out of the bottom of their koi pond with 5-gallon buckets. And seeing as it's about 4 feet deep and probably has 10,000–15,000 pounds of sludge in there, if I had to guess, it didn't go very well for them. So we are going to take our 50,000 pound, 40-foot long, 13.5-foot tall, 500 horse Caterpillar vacuum truck and try to sneak it in a little residential asphalt driveway to suck out a koi pond muck. So yeah, should be a good one. Stay right there, they'll just stop. Alright. That's a little tight, buddy. There's gonna be a couple more. Stay tight. Alright, hold it right there. You're gonna have to wiggle around. Well, we got it all wiggled in here. It wasn't too bad. He has 2 driveways, one of which has a low overhead wire situation. Take you guys up here, show you what we're doing today. Really nice couple. You can tell they take a lot of pride in what they got going on here, which they should, because it's awesome. So this is our koi pond. You want to say good morning to the internet? Hello everybody. So this is the koi pond, which is pretty awesome. A lot of the muck is over here, and then the really awesome part is the swimming pool that all the koi have been put into. Look at this. So there's about 30 fish in here. There's one. So we pumped all the water out of the koi pond into the swimming pool. They don't even really know they're in there.
Keep it circulating, keeping air. We got air flowing in this. Have you ever done this before? I did it one time before. Tree frogs, supervising.
Absolutely. Nice set of waders. That's how you got in there. Yeah, that makes sense. And we're all set up and moving muck. one for the books. There's a lot more in there than I thought there was going to be. Thankfully there's this ledge that runs around the exterior side, but there it is. A lot of muck came out of there. Probably at least 1,000 gallons. And our scaly finned friends have a fresh new condominium complex. So thanks for watching. I always enjoy doing projects like this. It's kind of nice to get out of the commercial side where it's all go go go. And if you guys want, if you dig the videos, subscribe or don't. You're your own person. I'm not going to tell you what to do. But yeah, went well. Load up, offload, clean up, reload, and on to the next. Thanks for watching.